Where are you going? Huh? Where are you going? You want to go see the pumpkins?
Tell the horsey bye over there.
Go tell the horsey bye.
Look at the horse there, they say bye.
You want to tell him bye? Huh?
Well, these big ones were cows.
Let's go tell the horsies bye. Okay? We'll go see the horsey? Huh? Wanna go see the horsey? Where are you going?
Cow over there.
What is it?
What's your friend, the cow?
What is it, Ethan? Is that a cow? Huh? Do you see the other goats over there? Huh? Look at all the pumpkins here on this Halloween 2008. Huh? See all the pumpkins? Huh? Look at all these pumpkins. What are they? Huh? Are those your pumpkins? Huh? No. Where are you gonna go? Huh? Let's go over here. Where's Nana? Huh? No. Come on. Stay over here. You can't go over there. Where's Nana? Let's go find Nana. Where'd she go? Where's Nana? Huh? Where'd Nana go? Huh? Let's go find Nana. There she is. Look it. There she is.
Oh, you can do that.
There's Nana. Let's go get Nana. Come on. Huh? Where did she go? Where'd Nana go? Huh? Where's Nana? Is she sitting down? Huh? She's tired, huh? Let's go give Nana a kiss. Come on. Let's go give Nana a kiss. Then go bye-bye now, okay? There she is.
Look at the little boy's gonna ride the horsey. Look at the little boy ride the horsey. See? You can ride the horsey like Ethan.
Huh?
Look at the little
What is that?
Come here. Look at the little boy on the horse. Look at the little boy coming on the horsey. Come here, so you can watch him. Oh, look at him. I'll get that all over the car. Put all the pumpkins in. The little boy on the horse. Sit down here, watch the little boy. See? Put him on it like this and say bye. Horsey, like you. Just watch him. Huh?
What is it?
What's in it? Kind of throwing that on me. Hey, here it comes. Here comes a little boy.
What are you doing? Huh?
Watch. Whoa. Watch out for the white pumpkins.
Want to go bye-bye?
They didn't put you to see it's a great punk on Charlie Brown?
Let's go bye-bye.
Gonna get him in the car?
We'll give Nana the thing over there.
Oh, thank you.
Huh? What is it?